Hey Adriana, my name is Lee Terbienic, and you'd spoken with Teresa who requested this video, and I just wanted to show you guys three things that you can do today to beat out your competition and bring in a lot more business than you're currently getting. Not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and like what you see and you become more interested on how I can help you guys out, just feel free to call me and set up a time and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take the tips that I've given you and put them into action. So let's jump right into it. The three major things that I want to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. Now, as we scroll on your homepage, I'm talking about content. And content is anything that is written on this homepage. So Google likes to see around 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. So as we scroll down, you do have some content here, some here. I'm not seeing any major keywords standing out or being bolded, but you do have some content. Not a bad looking homepage. I would suggest having a form submit up here in the header. Maybe getting a logo revamp done, something that represents you guys a little bit better and as a company. Also, I don't see a Google map embedded down here in the footer, so that would be something that I would do. And also putting just more click to call buttons, something to make easier for clients to come to your site and get converted into a client faster. But I did a quick search for Plumber Freehold, New Jersey to see where you guys would show up. And I'm not seeing you guys show up here. So caballeroplumbing.com is showing up in first place for this organic section. So let's kind of see what kind of content they have. And they have a little bit of content there. Some content here. A little bit of reviews. Some more content. But nowhere near the 1,500 words that Google likes to see. And it's important to have that 1,500 because that gives us enough space to fit these important keywords, which we're going to go over shortly. But before we do that, let's go back to Google, and I'm going to break down Google for you. It's broken into three sections. This top section is the Google Guaranteed Ads, and now they used to be cost per click, and they still run that, but now they're advertising this Google Local Guarantee, which is where you only get charged if your phone rings. So you're not getting charged cost per click and getting them bogus clicks and still getting charged. If your phone's ringing, then you're probably going to get that business, and that's the only way you get charged. Very easy to set up. You just do a quick background check and a license information, and boom, you can get advertised right up here at the top for multiple keywords, whatever you want to target. So that's big. Now, the organic ways to do things, and that's this middle section and bottom section. So this middle section is called the Google My Business section, or GBP, Google Business Profile. So as you can see, you're not listed in this top three, so that's going to hurt for some clients coming in, but Caballero Sons is in first place there. And you're probably wondering, how do I get in the top three? Well, by adding citations. So a citation is your business name, your address, and your phone number listed in the web, and like MapQuest, Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook, they're all citation sources. And I would go and get 100 to 200 of these for your business and get up in this top three, and you'll start to see a lot more business coming from people who go to this section when they're looking for, a plumber for any of the services you guys offer. So that's that. Now this third section and bottom most important section is the organic, and this deals directly with your website. And what ranks you in this section for these keywords is backlinks. So a backlink is when another website links back to your website, and you want relevant sites linking to you. You wouldn't want Pizza Hut giving you guys a backlink because you don't sling pizzas for a living. You'd want other plumbing sites or a blog written about drain cleaning to link to you guys. And Google counts every backlink like a vote. So the more websites that are willing to send their traffic and viewers to your website, the more trustworthy you are in the eyes of Google. So I have a tool I use called Ahrefs, and this is going to show me a basic overview of your site and its stats. So as you can see, I plugged in your website up here, showing you guys do have some good numbers here, 32 and 20. Now 100 is the best for each of them. You have 7,000 backlinks coming from 307 websites, but only 140 of those are transferring power, and that's these do follow links. So that's why this score is a little bit lower, because that's telling me they might not be as powerful as some of the other backlinks that are available. Now, you're ranking for 347 keywords and getting about 340 traffic at the moment. So let's see where you're getting your traffic right now. So general, these are your keywords. Now this is going to show me the keyword, how many times that's being searched monthly, and what type of traffic and position you're in for these keywords. So general plumber, that's people looking for you guys directly. A general plumbing, looking for you directly. We want to get the people who don't know of you guys, get you guys some new business. Some more general keywords like, let's see, these are all you, general sewer services, a general. So here we go. Marlboro NJ plumber. That's somebody looking for a plumber in MJ or in Marlboro NJ. 70 times a month that this keyword is being typed right here in the Google search engine. So as you can see, 70 searches, you're in the 8th position, you're only getting 2. Like, you're right there for a lot of these keywords, 8th, 7th, 6th. I have access to very powerful backlinks out. If we were to target 10 of these keywords, put them in 1,500 words on your homepage so you get ranked on this homepage, and we were to add some SEO and do some power to them, you would easily start gaining positions and get up into the 1st, 2nd, 3rd positions. And this 2.8 traffic turns into 20 traffic out of the 70 rather than just 2. Let's see what else is available. Plumber, Red Bank, New Jersey, 50 and 0. 50 searches a month for a plumber in Red Bank, and you're only getting 2 people to your website. Plumber, Monmouth County, 100 searches with a 0 KD. That means it's very easy to rank for this keyword. You're on the 2nd page. You're only getting 2 people. 1 through 10 position is 1st page. 11 through 20 is 2nd page. So you're on the 2nd page. No one's going there. Plumbing, Lakewood, New Jersey, 70 and 1. General Plumbing Inc. Plumbers, Red Bank, 50. Plumber Freehold, 101. You're on the 13th position. Emergency Plumbing, Lakewood, 60 and 0. Let's see here. And all these keywords, like, this is just for your homepage. We could go service specific keywords too. So say you want to be found for, you know, your sewer cleaning stuff. We could look and find all those keywords, and instead of it saying, you know, plumbing Lakewood, it would be sewer cleaning Lakewood, and we could see what kind of search volumes are for those, and then we add those onto your sewer cleaning page. If you have, yeah, your sewer and drain cleaning page, and then that page will rank separately for those keywords. So there's a lot we could do, and to give you an example of what that looks like, here's a website we did for a plumber in Rahway, New Jersey. Beautiful layout, form submit up here in the heading, his socials linked. But here's this keyword, plumber, Rahway, New Jersey. Plumber, Rahway, you want it in a heading, you want it in the content, you want a picture saved as it too. So let's show you what that's. You want all your pictures saved as the keywords you want to focus. You don't want to save them as XJ432. That ain't going to help for ranking. But this will, as you can see, Rahway, New Jersey plumber. So you're telling Google, hey, this is what I want to be found for. This is the keywords that I want to really target. And it's all in what you're saving your stuff as. Oh, I think I messed everything up there. Let me go back. But yeah, so anyways, let's touch base on what we talked about. The first thing was 1,500 words of keyword-rich content so you could fit those important keywords throughout. I don't see major issues with your website. I mean, I would like to see a nice revamp. It looks like this is just your basic kind of outline, and you see what kind of websites we build here. Just beautiful, popping, make people feel comfortable, and really show off your business with some customization. Have your Google reviews pop up automatically by however they're listed, which we have access to do those too. But yeah, so 1,500 words on your homepage. Second thing was citations, name, address, and phone number in directories across the web. I'd get 100 to 200 of these, get up in the top 3 map pack, and get some business from there. And then the third thing was backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that your company is the authoritative company in the area. And if you do all that, you could be #1 across Google. I'd love to help you out with this. Feel free to reach out whenever. My name is Lee Terbienic, President and CEO of Diamond City Digital Marketing. And yeah, you can reach out 570-240-5257 or send me an email back to this email that I sent the video, and we could set up a time to talk. Yeah, look forward to hearing from you, Adriana, and hopefully this gets to the owner. And hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.